Prepping your canvas moisturizer and primer. When it comes to achieving a flawless makeup look, the preparation of your skin is just as important as the makeup itself. Think of your face as a canvas. It needs to be smooth and well prepped to ensure that the makeup applies evenly and lasts throughout the day. Summer makeup is all about achieving that healthy, radiant glow. The kind of glow that looks like you've just come back from a relaxing vacation, even if you've been working all week. But to get that glow, you need to start with the basics. Before we dive into the makeup, let's talk about prepping your skin. This step is often overlooked, but it's crucial for a smooth and long-lasting makeup application. Proper skin preparation can make a world of difference in how your makeup looks and feels. This step is crucial for a smooth and long-lasting makeup application. It helps to create a barrier between your skin and the makeup, ensuring that your makeup stays put and looks fresh all day long. Start with a lightweight moisturizer to hydrate your skin. Hydration is key, especially in the summer when the heat can dry out your skin. A good moisturizer will keep your skin plump and hydrated, providing a perfect base for your makeup. Gently massage it into your skin using upward circular motions. This not only helps the moisturizer to absorb better, but also stimulates blood flow, giving your skin a natural, healthy glow. This will plump up your skin and create a smooth base for your makeup. A well-moisturized face ensures that your makeup won't settle into fine lines or dry patches, giving you a flawless finish. Next, apply a small amount of primer. Primer is like a magic potion that preps your skin for makeup. It creates a smooth surface, making it easier for your foundation to glide on effortlessly. Primer helps to blur out imperfections, minimize the appearance of pores, and keep your makeup in place all day long, even in the summer heat. It's especially important in the summer when sweat and humidity can cause your makeup to slide off. Allow the primer to set for a minute before moving on to foundation. This gives the primer time to work its magic, ensuring that your makeup will stay put and look flawless all day long. Taking these extra steps in your skincare routine can make a huge difference in the final result of your makeup. A light touch applying dewy foundation. For a natural summer glow, opt for a lightweight dewy foundation. Avoid heavy full coverage foundations, as they can look cakey and feel uncomfortable in the summer heat. Choose a foundation that matches your skin tone perfectly. Apply a small amount of foundation to your face using a damp makeup sponge or a foundation brush. Start from the center of your face and blend outwards. Use light, tapping motions to blend the foundation seamlessly into your skin. Remember, less is more. We want a natural, your skin but better finish. Brighten up concealer for a flawless finish. Concealer is an essential tool in your makeup arsenal. It can help you achieve a bright, flawless complexion by covering imperfections and enhancing your natural beauty. Concealer is your secret weapon for a bright and flawless complexion. Whether you're dealing with dark circles, blemishes, or redness, the right concealer can make all the difference. Use a concealer that is 1 or 2 shades lighter than your foundation. This will help to brighten the under-eye area and give you a more awake and refreshed look. Apply it under your eyes to cover dark circles. Start with a small amount and build up coverage as needed. Dab a small amount on any blemishes or redness you want to conceal. The key is to use a light hand and blend well to avoid a cakey finish. Gently blend the concealer using a small brush or your ring finger. The warmth of your finger will help to melt the concealer into your skin, creating a seamless finish. The warmth of your finger will help to melt the concealer into your skin, creating a seamless finish. Blending is crucial for a natural look, so take your time to ensure there are no harsh lines. Don't forget to set your under-eye concealer with a light dusting of translucent powder. This will help to prevent creasing and keep your concealer in place all day. For best results, use a fluffy brush and a light hand. With these tips, you can achieve a flawless finish that enhances your natural beauty. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. Happy concealing! Let it glow. Liquid highlighter application. Now, for the fun part. Highlighter. A liquid highlighter is perfect for achieving a natural, lit-from-within glow. Choose a highlighter that complements your skin tone. Champagne shades work well for fair to medium skin tones, while golden or bronze shades look stunning on darker skin tones. Apply a few dots of highlighter to the high points of your face, cheekbones, brow bone, down the bridge of your nose, and on your Cupid's bow. Blend the highlighter using your fingers or a damp makeup sponge for a seamless, radiant finish. Section 5. A touch of color cream. Blush for a natural flush. Cream blush is a summer essential. It gives a natural, healthy flush to your cheeks, enhancing your summer glow. Smile to find the apples of your cheeks. Apply a small amount of cream blush to the apples of your cheeks and blend it upwards towards your temples. You can use your fingers or a stippling brush for blending. Choose a shade that complements your skin tone and the overall makeup look. Peachy pinks and corals are perfect for a fresh, summery vibe. Section 6. Soft and subtle natural eye makeup for summer. Keep your eye makeup soft and natural to complement the radiant complexion. Start by applying a light eyeshadow primer to your eyelids. This will help your eyeshadow to last longer and prevent creasing. Choose a light shimmery eyeshadow in a champagne, peach, or bronze shade. Apply it all over your eyelid using a fluffy eyeshadow brush. You can add a touch of a slightly darker shade to the crease of your eyelid for a bit of definition. Section 7. Brow Power. Grooming for a natural arch. For your brows, keep it natural and defined. Use a brow gel to groom your brows into place. Choose a clear brow gel or a tinted one that matches your brow color. Brush the gel through your brows in an upward motion to lift and define them. This will give your brows a natural, polished look without looking too harsh or overdone. Section 8. Open up lightweight mascara for definition. Finish off your eye makeup with a coat or two of lightweight mascara. Avoid heavy volumizing mascaras, as they can weigh down your lashes and look clumpy in the summer heat. Opt for a lengthening or defining mascara that will give your lashes a natural, fluttery look. Apply the mascara from the root to the tip of your lashes, wiggling the wand as you go to separate and define each lash. Section 9. Glossy lips, the final touch for a radiant summer glow. In this section, we will explore how to achieve that perfect glossy lip look that ties your entire summer makeup together. Whether you're heading to a beach party, a summer wedding, or just enjoying a sunny day out, glossy lips are the ultimate accessory to your radiant summer glow. For your lips, keep it simple and hydrating with a tinted lip balm or a lip gloss. These products not only add a touch of color, but also keep your lips moisturized and protected from the harsh summer sun. Opt for products with SPF to ensure your lips stay healthy and sunburn-free. The key is to find a balance between color and hydration so your lips look luscious and feel comfortable all day long. Choose a shade that complements your blush and enhances your natural lip color. This creates a harmonious look that ties your entire makeup together. If you're wearing a peachy blush, go for a coral or peach lip shade. For a pink blush, a rosy or berry lip color works wonders. The idea is to create a cohesive and natural look that enhances your features without overpowering them. Apply the lip balm or gloss to the center of your lips and blend it outwards. This technique ensures that the color is concentrated in the middle, giving your lips a fuller appearance. Use your finger or a lip brush to gently blend the product towards the edges, creating a soft and natural gradient. This method not only makes your lips look plumper, but also prevents the color from looking too harsh or artificial. This will give your lips a subtle hint of color and shine, completing your radiant summer glow makeup look. The gloss adds a touch of glamour, making your lips look juicy and irresistible. It's the perfect finishing touch that elevates your entire look, making you feel confident and ready to take on any summer adventure. Congratulations! You've achieved a gorgeous summer glow makeup look that is perfect for any occasion. Whether you're at a casual picnic or a formal event, your makeup will look fresh, radiant, and effortlessly beautiful. The combination of dewy skin, flushed cheeks, and glossy lips creates a look that is both timeless and trendy. Remember, the key is to enhance your natural beauty, not to mask it. Makeup should be about highlighting your best features and making you feel good in your own skin. Embrace your unique beauty and let your personality shine through. Confidence is the best accessory you can wear, and with this makeup look, you'll feel ready to conquer the world, embrace the dewy, radiant skin, and enjoy the summer season. Take care of your skin by staying hydrated, using sunscreen, and following a good skincare routine. With your glowing makeup and healthy skin, you'll be the epitome of summer beauty. So go out, have fun, and make the most of this beautiful season.